Hello everyone out there in DIY land, do it yourself. I'm doing it myself today with the Firestorm 18 volt old saw, reciprocating saw, meaning going up and down today. Here's a very useful way to use it to cut down a little tree, even big tree limbs, depending on the size of the blade you have. So here we go. We're gonna cut this little limb. I'm gonna make a cut on the underside. You come this way. Cut on the underside so that when the limb breaks, it doesn't strip the rest of the bark if that's how far you want to go. And just like that, you can trim a little tree. You can also trim all the way down. I've trimmed much bigger, 4 inch, 6 inch, depending on the blades, and it just takes a little longer. Okay, and there you have it. Reciprocating saw. This is an old one. You can buy a new one, much smaller and even more powerful for trimming, taking down a little tree, or even big tree branches. Much safer than a chainsaw. All right, you take care. Look at that job. 10 minutes, done.